how to reset username and password on BDO Banking Online. I'm going to tell you how to reset your username and or password on BDO Banking Online from their website. First, visit the BDO Online Banking website. Open your browser and go to the official BDO Online Banking login page. Click on Forgot Username or Password. Below the login fields, click the link for resetting your username or password. Enter your registered information. You'll need to provide details like your registered email, address, mobile number, or your BDO ATM card number to verify your identity. You will then need to receive a verification code. BDO will send you a code to your registered contact method, either email or text. Enter the code on the next page to verify your identity, and then create a new username or password.